In this video, gonna demonstrate to you how to create a simple menu for home page or any other activity in Android Studio. Let me see guys how to create that. So initially we have one main activity. So by default we have one main activity. I'm going to create some design for my home page. See, I drop and drag on image view and choose one icon for my image view. Now initially resize that and setting constraint location. So after that I'm going to place on one more view, text view, and now I'm setting the constraint locations. After that I'm changing now the text of text view. So this is welcome to the zone, and after that I'm changing some attributes of my text. So my text size, I'm increasing the text size, and the text color is red color, and text style is bold and should center. Okay guys, successfully I made one design, very simple design for my home page. Now I wanna add menu for this my main home page. So how to do? Let me see guys. So initially in the main activity there is no provisions for directly add menu from the palette window. There is available. The menu is not available there. Okay, we have to create that. It's like a new activity. Okay, just click on the resource folder and right click on the new, and initially you have to create one resource directory for your menu window. So now I'm changing the my directory name is menu, and value is the resource type is menu. Okay, we didn't create a separate activity for normal purpose. So this entire activity only for menu. So that's what I'm chosen here. Resource type is menu, and click OK. So once you are now created, now you can see here. So menu directory is created. After that, click on the menu directory and right click it. Go to the new and create a menu resource file here. Okay, and give some name for your resource. So I given is a menu. Give others the default settings. Okay, just click on the OK. Once click OK, now you can see your menu XML file created. So there is initially this action bar is there, and action bar is shows like menu design. Okay guys, we successfully made one activity for menu. How to add some items inside the menu? Let me see, I will let you know. So go to the code window and make some space. You can directly write item. Okay, you should place item syntax. After that, first you have to mention ID of your item. Okay, now I'm going to create home. So after that creating item, you should give the title of your menu. So my title is, so initially I create home. Just close it. This is the first main item guys. You can see here. See, we successfully create the first menu. The menu name is home, and for the particular menu ID is home. For understanding, I'm given same name for ID. Okay, just copy this item. Just paste how many menu you want. For example, I'm going to create 4 menus. Okay, that's what I'm copying for. Just change the ID for the second one thing. Is sign up. Second one is sign up, and the title is sign And third one is going to convert the third item is login. So giving login here, and my third is login. And fourth item is for logout. Here I'm changing the title also. Logout. Okay guys, we successfully created last one we didn't change because my system will slow. It will be changed guys, just wait some time. Yeah, now change it. So successfully we created a menu for our home page. So now you go for run this application, your emulator. Your emulator should not view these menus because we are done only the design. We are creating menus and put some items into the menu. We didn't write any code for this menu in package. So how to write that? So what is the function we have to make? The method name is create option menu. So we have to write create option menu code in the main activity. Just let me see guys how to write it. Just navigate to the main activity and you have to overwrite another one new method. The method name is on create. So override on create on create option method. So just successfully we override one function. The function called is on create option menu. Okay, instantly this method return the superclass. So I don't want return anything instantly because I want to write some inflator code for our menu in between the return. So I return the value later. So in between the lines I'm going to write the inflator. So we have to inflate our menu into the main activity. So how is that? Just I'm right directly called the inflate menu inflate keyboard and now inflate. So inside the inflator I'm going to pause my resource and my folder name is menu. Resource and my folder name is menu. So inside the menu my menu source ID is menu. So already be given. After that I'm mentioning here my type of attribute is menu. So menu tab we are pausing now. Okay guys, successfully we are creating one a method for our menu. So this method is integrate our menu window into our main activity. So guys, now I'm going for run my application. Let me see how it will be work. Now I'm starting my emulator. Guys, the results came in emulator. See the emulator we have. So whatever design and for my home page now it will be appear here. So above the design there is one action bar is there. See guys, there is a 3 button. This is the menu. So now I'm simply click on the three dots. So what are the things? What are the items we made by me now? So it has appeared here. See home, sign up, and login and logout. So you can select any one items. So this is the example of simple menu creation. Okay. So in next video we will see how to perform some operation based on this item and how to utilize the inflator method in the menu. Everything we will see the next video. Thank you so much guys.